Hi guys! Today is Sunday, November 23rd, 7:30 PM na dito guys. Katatapos ko lang mag-shower. Ito yung buhok ko pagkatapos ko mag-shower. Yes, kulot ako guys. Nagmana sa akin si Yuri. Kahit si Greg kulot din. So, ini-straight ko lang to. Pero since matutulog na rin ako mamaya, bukas ko na i-straight ito guys. So, katatapos ko lang maligo. Naglalagay lang ako ng moisturizer. Kayo guys, mahilig ba kayong maglagay ng kung ano sa mukha nyo? Ako moisturizer lang. At saka sunscreen. Kapag namalabas. Especially dito sa Las Vegas. Sobrang init. Kaya nangingitim. Dati guys, maputi ako. Ewan ko, kasi dito sa labas, tingnan nyo. Ito yung tunay kong kulay. Diba? Kasi nga, mainit dito sa Las Vegas. Kaya nangingitim. Ito yung tunay kong kulay. Tapos, dati pa nag-glutatayan ako nung nasa Pinas ako. Nag-glutatayan din ako dito. Kaya lang, parang useless. Kasi nga, paglabas mo dito, ang init. Kaya mag-sunscreen ka. Ano rin eh. So, inayaan ko na lang. So, dito sa States, kaya yung mga kayumanggi dyan, alam ko sa Pinas, gusto yung maputi, di ba? Dito sa States, guys, gusto yung kulay natin, yung morena. Actually, ako nga maputi, pale, fair complexion. Pero yung gusto nila dito, yung morena. Bentang-benta dito yun, guys. So, ngayon, yeah? I don't know, I gotta check. Yes, I will. Tinatanong yung meron kasi siyang si Avery may order ng fake nails. Di-deliver ngayon ng Amazon, so check ko mamaya. But anyway, meron silang game night. Yung mag-ama, si Greg and Avery, naglalaro ng Fortnite. Marunong sila maglaro. Si Avery, kahit 7 years old lang yan. Marunong. Dati si Greg nag-i-stream. Kaya lang, may trabaho. So, paputol-putol yung pag-i-stream kaya yung mga subscribers. Siyempre, aalis. Hindi nakakapag-game araw-araw kasi hindi naman siya full-time streamer. Kailangan niya mag-work. So, yun ninintunan niya. Pero si Avery, tatry naming mag-start ng gaming niya. Gaming channel kasi nga marunong guys. So, kapag na-set up na ni Greg, ibigay ko yung YouTube channel niya para masuportahan nyo. Kahit manood lang kayo kasi magaling maglaro yan yung anak ko, 7 years old lang. Kaya nung she started playing video games with her dad when she was, I think, 5. Yes, 5. She was already playing on the computer with her dad. Pakita ko sa inyo guys. Ayan si Greg, naglalaro. Ayan, kalaro yung anak niya. Hi! Baby? Hi, baby! How's it going? You're having fun? Playing with Dad?
Yes.
Okay. Ayan guys, naglaba ko kanina. Tapos nilagay ko na sa dry. Ito. Inano ko na yan. Yan, nakasampay. Sampay ko yan. Tapos yung nilagay ko sa dryer. Ito, kukunin ko tapos tutupi ko. Samahan niyo ako guys. Kailangan mo ito pa eh. Ayan guys, ito na yung laundry natin. Nasa ano ko guys, nasa loft ako. Sa taas. May loft dito, tapos nandito si Greg naglalaro. Si Avery nandun sa kwarto niya, yung computer niya nandoon. So, magtutupi tayo guys. Para wala na akong trabaho bukas. Alam niyo, ayaw ko nagtutupi. Sana may machine, no? Yung may machine na.
I got eliminated.
Pwedeng I think meron ganun. Baka sa Japan.
These people are mean.
Sa States. So, itutupi ko lang to guys.
Oh no!
Tapos,
Oh my gosh!
merong delivery. Na-deliver na yung nails ni Avery. Kanina pa niya hinihintay yun. May mga fake.
Yeah, you show him, baby girl.
Mahilig siyang mag...
Oh no.
Ano. Mahilig siyang Marte. Kukunin ko mamaya.
Those two just need to be eliminated.
Kayo guys,
Yeah, they do.
bihasa na ba magtupi?
Another person.
Ako hindi masyado. Ayoko eh.
That one's moving, baby.
Itong mga mga capri pants ko, kahit paano na lang itupi ito. Ganyan na lang. Napapansin nyo guys, lagi lang ako nakaka-capri pants na itim. Or, may ibang kulay, pero madalas sa color black. Hindi ako nag-shorts.
Good
Kasi
try.
nga tumaba ako. Laki na
I
medyo
know.
ako, kaya
No, they were going after
we're
everyone.
on capri leggings or sweatpants. Ganun lang guys.
Good game, good game. Nailsies.
Tatapusin ko to, tapos kukunin ko yung yung
I'll shut down your computer, baby.
fake nails nito. Are you getting it, babe?
I was hoping you would.
Huh? Oh. Huh? Come here. Are you getting it? They're downstairs. Can I have a kiss? You say hi.
Hi.
They're downstairs. They're in the. Wait, no. They're outside. They're on the inside the
Can you
bench.
get them, please?
Hold on. I think that would help you.
Dad,
Yeah.
can you get my nails these? That side.
Kukunin yung nails. Sabi ko tulungan mo lang ni Greg. Tinatamad akong bumaba. Alam nyo guys, mas gusto ko yung bahay na single story na. Kaya lang dito, mahal. Kasi kapag single story, malaki yung ino-occupy na lot. Kaya mas mahal yung presyo. So, are you guys getting it?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kaya minsan tinatamad akong bumaba. Eh si Avery din minsan nagsasawa. Nung malit pa yan,
They're in the bench.
madalas namin itong sa di ba kapag age, nila na 4 hanggang 6, gustong inuutusan. Pero ngayon ayaw na.
Oh.
Nagagalit. Eh, ito pala ihahawak ko na lang. Ito yung short ko, tsaka itong sweatpants. So, galit lang yung mga sinusot ko, guys.
What's this?
Ito. How many?
Well, there's like a long box. Here.
The long box?
It's got a battery in it.
Oh, that's the... Don't say it yet. Let me see. What did you get? Oh, we have 3 packages?
Where is it?
What's the other one from? Where's it from?
Where's my beanies?
Oh, I think it's this one.
Can I see?
Wow, show them. Wow. See, show the guys. We got a big nail.
Big nails.
Mahilig magano to.
Yeah.
We have 3 packages. I think what are these? Oh, these are the leggings.
That big bags. Oh, wait, Mom. These
Yeah.
aren't leggings. These are hoppers.
Yeah, you pick those. This is the...
Those are so cute.
Oh, those
These
are
cute.
cute.
Do you want to see? Let me see. Wow. Oh, yeah.
So, guys, this is how I put on my nails. So first, look. So first,
Naglalagay ng
sometimes
nails.
I like put it at the top and then just like slide it down and then press it. Let me see. Yeah, press it like, and then it's like. They're good.
Did you put all of them?
No. Yeah.
Do you need help?
No.
What else do you have there? Look at guys, ang gaganda nito. I think this is only how much I think for 3 and then may isa pa doon. 4 boxes, it's like, I think $7 ha? Or $8? Huh? You need to drink some water, baby.
Nah.
Hey, your back is on the
Oh, sorry.
Hey, can you drink some water?
Yeah.
Inuubo pa siya ng konti pero hindi na. Hey, can you do it?
Wait. Oh, I did the wrong one.
Pero hindi na nilalagnat.
Stop bringing it so up!
Sorry, baby. Okay.
This is so hard to put on my nail.
Tapos na ako magtupi. Nag-dinner na rin kami kanina. Maaga kami nag-dinner. 6:30? No, I think 6 o'clock. Kasi nga, naglaro sila. Tapos na sila maglaro. Come here, baby. Manunod na ako. Magpapahinga na. And then, these baby girls, are you still gonna eat your snacks?
Sure.
Sure, okay. I think that's it for today. Short na vlog lang tayo
We're
today.
broke!
Short na vlog lang tayo. Gusto ko lang pakita ko anong nangyayari kapag gabi naman. Ganito lang guys, you know. Manunod na ako ng K-drama. Thanks for watching guys. Yung hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe, please subscribe. And Avery,
What?
please subscribe
Please
and
subscribe, like, and share.
narinig you guys. Thank you. Bye.
I can't find it.